So I see this Lippert Scout all over the place. It's in my Facebook every day. What is it?
Yeah, our Lippert Scouts program is our way of getting feedback directly from RV owners on our products and services. And honestly, it's not even just Lippert products and services, it's feedback on the RV industry. So, I mean, you're gonna see people out in the campgrounds flying a Lippert Scouts flag. You're gonna see them wearing Lippert Scouts swag.
So anybody can join?
Anybody can join. We want to hear from everybody. Doesn't matter if you own a motorhome, a travel trailer, fifth wheel. We want to hear from everybody, whether you've been camping for 40 years or 40 days. That feedback is super important to us.
So how do you join?
Yeah, so Lippert Scouts can be found on our Facebook group, as well as the Lippert Communities app, which can be found in your App Store or Google Play.
Okay, and tell me a little bit about your owner's school.
Yeah, certainly. So, as you mentioned, resources are really important for RV owners to be successful on the road. Actually, one of our Scout ideas from the very beginning was RV Owner School. So we've opened up our technical institute to RV owners to come and learn directly from Lippert on our products so that they can be better equipped and keep them camping.
Okay, so you've got a couple new products that have come out. Let's take a look at those. We've got the temperature sensor here, and it's important to understand what that temperature inside your rig is when you're out sightseeing, you're not there, especially if you're traveling with pets. So tell me a little bit about it.
Yeah, certainly. So the Lippert temperature sensor, which integrates with our One control system, just does exactly what you just said. Senses the temperature in your RV. There's nothing worse than coming back to a hot camper. So we want to make sure we give that power to people to know what's going on inside their RV.
So all you have to do is hang this somewhere inside, and then you can just see it on your phone?
That's right. And sometimes people use it even for their fridge too. They don't want their food to go spoiled. Sometimes sudden loss of power or running out of LP, right? This will tell you what's going on inside your fridge too.
You never know what's going to happen downstream on that electrical thing.
Absolutely.
Oh, so now you also have then our LP tank sensor. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yep, same deal as our temperature sensor. The LP tank sensor tells you how much LP you got. So this is a perfect product to make sure that you've got enough in there so that you can stay warm on those chilly nights. And yeah, it's just a great product. Goes right on the underside of your LP tank.
So you can get both ASME tanks on motorhomes and DOT cylinders on a travel trailer.
You got it.
Fit right on them. Great products, easy to use. Be sure and check out the Scout program.